Your little one is definitely going to keep up with the trends while wearing these super cute chukka boots from UGG Kids. These are crafted with a suede material. They have a round toe silhouette with an ankle height construction. Then they also have a lace-up feature so your kiddo can feel very secure and snug in these. They'll definitely be snug as a bug in a rug since these have that super awesome UGGpure wool lining. They also have a foam cushioning on the footbed for extra comfort, and then they do have a nice little chunk at the midsole. These guys sit on top of that UGG outsole that is awesome with that Treadlite material. It is going to give them awesome traction on multiple surfaces. An additional factor is that these are pre-treated, so it is going to repel moisture and stains, making them super long-lasting and durable. Your kiddo is going to look super cute when they wear these guys with a sweater and their favorite denim jeans.